Okay, I think we are live on YouTube and LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm Aditya Sharma. I'm co-founder and CEO of High Counselor and your host for today's session. Let me double check if our connections are great, if we are actually live on LinkedIn and YouTube, and if you can let me know in the chat box that you can hear me loud and clear, you can see me fine. That would be very helpful. Okay, and I'll also check on my end. Okay, let's see. So I'm refreshing my screen on LinkedIn. I can't see myself live yet. Hi, Amit sir.
Hi Aditya, hi. Can you hear me? Okay, my system
Okay,
started updating.
system started updating. Okay,
That's why I got late.
it
Okay.
always
Hi
happened
everyone.
last time.
I guess we are live on YouTube.
Yes, we are. I know I've checked it on LinkedIn. I have not checked it on YouTube.
I'll
Let's
check it on YouTube.
okay, perfect. Let's see, guys. You can also comment and let us know if we are actually live there or
Not
not.
live on YouTube.
Okay, I can see people are live now on both the places. That's perfect. We let's guys let's take probably 1 or 2 more minutes and allow everyone else to join this call. And in the meantime, if you can quickly share this event with your network or like on your LinkedIn post, that would be very helpful. Please hit like button so that we can have more and more people joining this project and we can work as a team. Then I think we'll have an amazing work experience. So please do that. And in the meantime, we'll allow others to join.
Okay. In the meanwhile, those who are live, they can let us know from which location you are joining in.
Mhm.
So I'm Dr. Amit, Head of Business Operations at High Counselor. Currently, I'm dialing in from Canada, Toronto. So where are you dialing from, Aditya, today?
I am currently in Miami, Florida. So if anyone in Florida near to Miami Beach, please let me know.
So how is the weather at Miami?
Miami is amazing, right? So everywhere else, I think it's winters, right? But here
Yeah.
the weather is between 21 and 25 degrees every day.
Oh,
Perfect weather.
perfect weather. Eh? I mean, -5.
And that's why, that's
Okay.
also perfect.
Okay. Guys, if you can let us know your location and you can also let us know what role you are targeting so that.
Mhm. Okay, so Kazi says this should be fun and develop our learning and programming skills. Definitely, Kazi. Sriram says, hope this will be a good Kickstarters for noob that cover almost correct. Absolutely. Okay, Theodore is dialing in from Michigan. Gurpal is from UK. Perfect, perfect.
Okay. So I can see around 40 people live on LinkedIn,
Hmm.
a few on YouTube. Guys, this is a special project. So let me tell you a little journey on this project that why we started. We are starting to, we used to give a lot of complex project.
Yep.
Then we got a lot of feedback from candidates that in this programming journey, basically anybody who wants to kick off their career, they want to brush up their concepts before they get into any interview call. And that's where we thought of this idea that why don't we make certain projects which are on basics of programming, for example, data structure or maybe loop programming
Mm,
or algorithm. So then we came up with these ideas that we will be coming up with an idea with in such a way that it would be like a circle of complete learning curve in software engineering. And this could be a very, very good opportunity for anyone who's looking for a job or who want to kickstart their career so they can practice all these projects and they will be in a good position to brush up all their concepts.
yep. So guys, we have ensured that the project is not is just enough complex, right, to develop your learning abilities for software development role, but it's not that complex that you won't be able to finish it as compared to our previous projects, right? That's where uh, if you know anyone who's targeting like the entry level role, who's graduating or probably transitioning in their career, I think this is a perfect project to share, right? So then again, I would recommend you to share this, to repost this LinkedIn event where you're live, right? So that a lot of people can get to know about it. Okay, Laura is from California. We haven't received much comments about people's location, or am I missing anything?
I'll just check. I guess we less people have posted that because we moved on to the next question.
Okay. Okay,
Uh,
cool, guys. So, if you can let us know what job role you're targeting, whether you're targeting front end, back end, full stack developer, or you're targeting any other job role, probably that data scientist or anything else, let us know in the chat box, so that it will help us understand your situation better, and will be able to develop future projects in the similar category. Seher says, data scientist says, okay, would it be recorded? Yes, this session is recording, right? You can come to same LinkedIn or the YouTube link and watch this recording again. Okay, Sayan is logging in from India, saying thanks for staying awake so late.
okay.
So,
So,
go ahead.
yeah, I just wanted to say that we are also planning to shift the timing of the project a little early in terms of Indian time and the Asian countries' time, so that more people can participate on this project. So very soon, all our other events might be we're doing a 1 hour earlier as compared to what we are doing right now.
Yep. So
So,
Richard targeting ML or the backend developer, front end. A lot of people targeting front end role. Okay, perfect.
okay, so we can start with our project details. In the meanwhile, I'll be taking up all the comments.
Okay, perfect. Guys, just before we get started, I would like to know how many of you are first time for this like high counselor projects, and how many of you are repeat customers, so that I mean, based on that, we'll provide you information like whether we need to provide you deep information about everything related to project and platform, or if we can just provide you a high level overview, right? So just let us know whether you are first time or whether you're a repeat user. If you're on LinkedIn, you can probably hit like thumbs up if you're a first time user, and if you're a repeat user, you can probably hit like clap icon. Himanshu says, I'm a fresher of 23 graduate student. Okay, CSE. Perfect.
First time user from Maryland. Jaya says, what is the best possibility for me? So this is a live project, Jaya. So if you are interested in doing project and practice and compete with others, this is a good platform for you. It's completely free and you can code it on our platform. We offer a sandbox platform for coding all our projects. First time.
Okay, so I think Amit sir, we are good to get started. A lot of people have mentioned that they are also first time user, and there are a lot of repeat users as well. So I think we should give a quick overview of high counselor, right, and then jump into project details, right? Because then we get a lot of questions about, okay, what is high counselor, right? What you do. So guys, let me give you a quick overview of what we do at high counselor in just 5 minutes, and then I'll switch to the project details, right, and how you can complete this project. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. Okay, perfect. So guys, Again, thanks everyone for joining this call. Today we are going to do this real world project for software developer, for aspiring software developers, right? Or you all know that we have played this snake game somewhere in our childhood, right? In those small, most probably those Nokia phones and many other phones. So we will be developing that game right from scratch, and you'll be able to learn all those basic fundamental skills in this process. Okay. Before we jump into all those details, a little bit about my background. As I saw that a lot of engineering graduates are there, right? So you will be able to relate to my background. So I completed my engineering back in 2012 from India. After that, I moved to United States and completed my masters in 2015 from Duke University. And after completing my masters from Duke, I landed my very first job at PwC in Chicago. Worked there for a year. That was a great start of the career. And after that, I worked at Deloitte Consulting in San Francisco because I was always passionate about startups and work culture here. That's where I moved to San Francisco, worked at Deloitte for about 3.5 years. And during my time at Deloitte, I was part of the recruitment team as well. And as a part of the recruitment team, I used to interview candidates for software engineer, data scientist, and Salesforce roles. And that's when I figured out that what challenges people face in their job search process, why they fail, and how we can fix it. And that's when in 2020, I left my job from Deloitte to start High Counselor. So, two major reasons because of which we started High Counselor. The first one was that people struggle to land a job because of not having hands on work experience. So, employers need job ready talent. These days, whatever employer you go to, they all need talent that is job ready, who that can get the work done as soon as they join the company, right? So, just the bookish or the online knowledge is not enough until and unless you implement those skills. The second reason because of which people fail is their inability to land interviews. Definitely, when you don't have hands on work experience, people don't land interview calls, and that's where the frustration begins. As a solution of which, we launched High Counselor. And at High Counselor, basically, we primarily help candidates to get work experience. How do we help them get work experience? First is through real world projects that we are going to do today, and second one is through remote internships. So we help candidates gain work experience by connecting them with startups across the world. So no matter where you're located, we can help you get remote internship where you actually do the work of a front end, back end, full stack developer or a data analyst, data scientist for 3 to 6 months. And then you can imagine, right, that you're way more prepared. The employers would love to interview you more and probably hire you much better compared to the previous scenario. Right now, we are focusing on primarily on two job roles, which is software engineering and data science. So anything related to front end, back end, full stack, data analyst, data scientist, business analyst, you'll find on our projects platform as well as in our internship service. The pricing for the projects platform, it's so you can do two projects for free of course. So this project is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. The If you want to access, there are 80 other projects on the platform. You can build your entire portfolio. So that is $50 a month, and it's $149 for 6 months, right? If you want to take the bulk subscription. uh, for internship platform, to help you get an internship, we charge a one-time fee of $500. And with this internship, we also provide you 2 months of projects platform subscription absolutely free of cost. So you get it complimentary. Right now, both for projects platform as well as internship platform, we provide you 20% discount. So you can use this code save20 and get a 20% discount on both of them. Okay. These are some of the success stories, as I said, related to internship platform as well as projects platform. A lot of these guys developed projects, eventually landed internships and full-time jobs. Yeah, that's all about High Counselor. So if you want to access our projects or the internship services, simply go to our website, which is highcounselor.com. Right over here, you will find internship platform option as well as the project platform option. Okay. Dr. Amit, you want to cover anything? Are we good to move to the project details?
I guess we're good. Just one thing I would like to add that all these, like if we are doing this project for the first time, we always offer these projects for free.
Mhm.
But once if we'll not be completing this project within the deadline of this particular time of this project, then in that case the project will be closed and we'll come up with a new project. So every week we'll start a new project, either
Yes.
into data or either into software.
Yes. Yes, that's a very good point. Okay.
And I guess we are also working on that area, that a lot of people complained us that they want to do more projects for free. So we are also coming up with one idea where you might get another one or two projects which you can do for free just by sharing your projects, sharing by inviting more people. You can get that option. So we are working on it, and we'll come back. So that will give you more opportunity to do for the project. You don't need to take any subscription for that.
Hmm. Yes, absolutely. Okay, guys. So let's jump into the project details. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is a snake bite game that we have all played. So basically, in this particular project, the purpose of this is to evaluate your programming skills, right? Especially data structures and the logical skills. Because for most of the entry level jobs, they don't want your expertise in, say, a particular programming language. Rather than, they need to see whether your how strong your concepts are, right? So each task has a predefined description and example to assist you. And by implementing this project, right, you will be able to master essential skills that are required for the programming language in Java, while creating a dynamic and the interactive snake game. And again, you can develop this project in any programming language that you want. Okay. This project is basically divided into four tasks, right? Where you'll be developing this entire game, right? As you can see, the task details are given over here. The titles are given over here. You can find all the details of the task on our platform that I'll give you the demo of it. Okay. The first prize, I mean, so again, the objective is definitely learning, but whoever win this particular competition, and there are four criterias based on which we are going to decide the winner. That is the code quality, the number of attempts you have taken, the time you have taken to complete this entire project, as well as the number of people you have invited to the platform, right? So you can invite your friends. So combination of all these factors, and you'll be able to see uh, you may be able to win this particular competition. The first prize winner will get featured on Times Square, New York. Imagine if you get times featured in Times Square, New York, you will be able to show it to all your future employers that for your programming skills, you were able to get featured at such a big place. Okay. During this project, there will be two mentors in your to help with you with your functional questions. That will be myself and Dr. Amit Lal. And for all the technical questions, our team member Chirag will be able to help you out. Okay. Now, where you can find all this project details, you can find this project details on our website, highcounselor.com/projects. Dr. Amit, would you like to provide a quick demo of the platform and
Yeah,
the project? Okay. Okay, you can share your screen now.
let me just. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Once you see that screen, are you able to see my screen now?
I can see it.
Okay, so once you land up to our homepage, that is highcounselor.com, then you can click on projects. So the whole link is highcounselor.com/projects. And then you can see this first project over here, that is Code Play Eats Sneaky. So this is what we are doing right now. So you can click on this, but it will ask for, since I have already created my account and I'm logged into this, let me just sign out from my account. And let me go to that project again. So there we go. So I'm on this project. I'll click on this. So it will ask for your sign in. So if you have an account, if you're a repeat user, you can use an existing user ID and user email and your password. But if you're a first time user, then there is an option called create an account. Just click on this create an account, and then you can fill in your details like full name, email ID, phone number, password, your career track, LinkedIn ID, are you in physically present in US or not. So just fill in basic details and click on sign up. So your platform, you will get an email with your credentials. Okay. So after this, once your account is created, you can come back on this page. You can sign in, and once you sign in, it will, and then go to this page. You will see all the details of the project, right? So details of the project, the module, what are the different tasks you're supposed to do, but all the details. But you have to click on here, that is called go to sandbox. Just click on go to sandbox, and now click on plus button. Okay, and you can now add this project over here. Okay, So you can choose the template. So there are two templates in which you can choose it. So I can choose, let's say, one template. I want to choose this one. So one is on Java, one is on Python. So you can do it on both. So let's say I want to do it on Python. So I'll click on choose template, and you can see the project started loading. So once the project gets loaded, you will get an option called get started, and you can start your project. So this is a very simple process. You just need to create your account. If you're a user, you're a first time user, click on sign in, and then after that click on the project, go to sandbox and add your project. You have two platforms, either Java or you can choose Python. You can code in either one of them. Okay, in the meanwhile, it is loading. If we have any questions, we can take that. We'll just take it. Will might take just 2 minutes. Just okay.
So guys, the reason we started providing this sandbox was because when we started these projects, a lot of candidates used to complain that my system doesn't have a proper RAM, or the processor is not good, or I have this library not installed right. That's when we came up with this sandbox, that it's like your virtual laptop. You don't need to have a great system. You can build the entire project. And another benefit of this thing is that at the end of this project, you will be able to showcase this project as your portfolio to the recruiters and hiring managers, right? That will give
Yes.
you another value.
So now the project is ready. Click on open sandbox, and you will be directed to the project. So you can see all the tasks here. You can see the leaderboard, the different tasks we have. So there are 4 tasks in it. So you can complete each task one by one. As soon as you will complete it, this orange color will get converted into green. You can see the leaderboard right now, how many people have already started. So we can see that 6 people have already started doing this project. So in this way, you can code this whole project in this platform. And you can, as I told you earlier, Aditya told you that invitation is also very important, that how many people you are inviting. So for that, you have this
Yep.
option called invite friends. You can just click on this, and you can invite them by either email ID right now. And we also provide one option that is called share link. So right now, it's not coming up. I guess it will be uploaded very soon. But you can invite people by putting in an email ID there over there, and you can invite them to this project and to this platform. Okay, I guess if this is clear, if you can just confirm that is the process is clear.
Yep.
Mhm.
Guys, you can put in the chat box that yes, it's clear, or you can simply hit probably that bulb icon on LinkedIn. That will also tell us that okay, you're good with the process, and then we can proceed with further information. And just to repeat that the winner will be featured on Times Square, New York.
Yes, and yes. So Shaya says yes. Jaya says yes. Okay, thank you for confirming. So I guess the process is very simple. Just to repeat, if somebody was missing it out, go to highcounselor.com/project, create an account, click on the project which is free right now. Go to sandbox, add the project, and start coding. Very simple. It's a 5-step process.
Yep. Now, guys, you may think that okay, what if I come across any questions, right?
Mhm.
How am I going to get any clarification? So that's where we are available for you, right? So the way we answer or tackle any questions is on the LinkedIn, or sorry, on the YouTube post for this particular project. Simply go to YouTube, search for our channel aditya.highcounselor. You'll come across this channel, and that's where you'll see under live, you'll see this particular project. You can see it over here. You can simply come to this project and start asking your one second, and you can start asking your questions here in the chat box. If I show you a previous example, for example, this project we did a few weeks ago, right? This one with one of our mentors, Sai. All the candidates asked their question, and we responded over here. So, guys, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, aditya.highcounselor, so that you do not miss any update. And if you ask any question, we'll be notified and we'll help you immediately. Okay. So please take a moment to subscribe this particular channel. Let me put the link in the chat box for everyone. and also put it on screen for everyone. Okay. Da, 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 da. That's where is the link of channel? Okay, here is the link. Okay, if there are any questions, guys, please add it in the chat box, and we'll be more than happy to answer. And let's see what questions you have.
Any question related to process, or should we do both in Python and Java? Do we have that option that anybody can do both in Java and Python? I guess we can use one at one time.
Okay, guys, let's see if you have any questions. Feel free to ask.
Okay, chat says great. If you have any questions, guys, you can ask us.
And guys, any problem that you identify with the platform, right? You get stuck anywhere, you think that there is any bug or anything, feel free to let us know in the YouTube chat, and we'll be responding, jumping to help you as soon as we can. Okay.
I guess we are good.
Okay, guys, if there are no more questions, we can wrap up this call, and we look forward to working with you, and we look forward to see who win this competition. One quick question, one quick request again, please share this project with as many candidates as you can in your network, and that would help us like make this platform even stronger and to give you even.
And that will also be considered in your as a competition being a part of leaderboard.
Mhm.
Lumar, if you have just started this meeting, you can go to our YouTube channel and watch this recording, or you can, if you want to start this project, you can go to highcounselor.com/project. Or if you want to watch this recording again, go to this YouTube channel aditya.highcounselor, and you will be able to see the recording in this live session.
Yep.
Okay, we are good, I guess. Uh, Thank you so much for joining in, guys. And I hope you will enjoy this coding of this particular project. This is a new type of project we have offered to our all the people out there. I believe that a lot of people who are starting their career or their initial stage, this might be very, very useful for them.
Mm. Yep, definitely.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much, guys. You have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Gopal. Thank you. Gopal says he will share the project. Thank you, Gopal. Thank you.
Perfect. Bye
Okay,
bye.
guys. Thank you. Thank you.